We have this IGCSE question from your chemistry on chromatography. We shall go straight to Roman 1, which says, which mixture S, T, U, or W contains di X but not di Y? So remember, these are your mixtures. So these are your mixtures, and here are your dyes. Good. So looking at X, you would find that S and U. So S and U contain X. Can you see that? Good. But you're told that it should contain X, not Y. And where is Y? This is a Y. So who contains Y? S again contains Y. So we're not going to take X. All right. But W also has Y, but doesn't have X. So it means your U is the best choice. Okay. So U is the answer here because U contains X, but not Y. Rather, S contains both X and Y. So you want what? X but not Y. So we go to U. Now the second part says, which mixture S, T, U, or W contains the smallest number of dyes? In this case, let me change my pen for my Roman 2, smallest number of dyes. All you need to do is just count the number of dyes that this mixture produces. So here is 4. Here is, I think, 3. And here is the 4. And here is 4. So means T is the best choice. And the last part of the chromatography question, which mixture S, T, U, or W contains neither X nor di Y? And I know this is gonna be disturbing you, so I'm gonna take it out. Okay. So neither di X nor di Y. So all you need to look at, for example, S has what? X and Y. What about T? T would contain none of them. Look at the dice. Look at T. T has none of them. So it doesn't contain any of those X or Y. Okay. What about U? We already said U has, I think, X. This is U has X. And W should have Y. This is W. W has Y. So T is what's the best choice. That's how you could, solve that question. It's a little bit tricky with so many, spots on your chromatogram. So that's that. All right, let's look at the optional questions here. What is meant by the term reduction? So you could tell them that is the loss. Is it the loss of gain? Reduction should be the gain. Yeah. Gain of what? Is it gain of electron? Gain of electron. You could tell them that it is the removal of oxygen. Okay. Removal of oxygen from a substance. You could tell them that it's a decrease in oxidation number. Okay. The decrease in oxidation number of a substance. Oxidation should be a number of a substance or the addition of hydrogen to a substance. Addition of hydrogen. That's it. All this will take care of your reduction. And you have a piece of white cloth is soaked in colorless solution. When the cloth is left in the air, it turns blue. So what's happening here? Look at this. It's exposed to air. It's exposed to air. And air is a mixture of gases, particularly oxygen, right? Yeah, so oxygen must have reacted. Oxygen reacts with that stuff, and that should be your oxidation. That is that for That question is from your course session, paper 3.3 of your October or November IGCSE chemistry. And thank you for watching, and see you in the upcoming videos.